Hello, good afternoon. Myself Latif Khan. I am coordinator of Center for Innovation and Incubation at Geetanjali Institute of Technical Studies. We have designed this intelligent tree cutting sensor and forest fire detection device. Basically, it's a patented product. In this device, we can identify, we can detect the illegal forest cutting as well as the forest fire. So this is a small portable device, and it is getting power from this solar plate. We have used lithium-ion battery over here. It is capable to drive the system for 3 to 4 hours continuously, and it is getting charging back by this solar plate. So when this tree cut down and it fall in any direction, immediately will get alert on this website, and simultaneously if any forest fire detected, and immediately it will also send alert on this website. So I will show the working of this device. Suppose that this tree is cut down and down this convection. Now you can see this website. Immediately you will get alert on this website. This indicator will highlight. That is showing that in which direction our tree get fall. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes to get update on this website. Yes, you can see that this button is showing that your tree has fall down in this direction. Now I again normal this tree will become normal. Yeah, you can see that all the buttons become normal. So the X direction button is highlight when this tree fall in X direction. Now I am showing that when forest fire detects what happened. So I will increase the temperature using this hot device. You can see that whenever this temperature gets increased by a certain limit, this temperature is increasing gradually. Once you reach that particular level, and automatically that button will highlight. Now you can see that that fire alarm is generated, that forest fire has been detected. So you can see that forest fire has been detected and it is showing the red indicator. So this is all about this product, tree cutting as well as forest fire notification system. So the range of this device is approximately 500 meters. So you have to install this device, a small device from any tree or forest, and it will cover the 500-meter area. Similarly, you need to install the repeated distance at a repeated distance, so you will get complete details of your forest area. Thank you.